Alright, so guys, this is going to be attempt number 1. Yep guys, that was the first attempt. It wasn't too bad, but guys, it's a little bit hard because obviously because of the snow. I don't have a lot of grip, but I'm going to try and do my hardest, guys. Guys, that wasn't that bad, man. I'm going to be taking attempt number 4. Guys, I care to hit it. Guys, I care to hit it. So anyways guys, we've got 2 more remaining. So we've got the crossbar and we've got the left post, guys. Yeah guys, I didn't actually hit the ball properly, but I'm going to do that again, guys. Yes guys, we just hit the crossbar finally. So we've got 1 more remaining, which is the left post. So guys, I don't know how long it's going to take us, but guys, once we hit it, then that's it. I can finally go home. Guys, it wasn't too bad, man. We're getting closer and closer, guys. I know we can do it, but I don't know how many attempts it's going to take us, but guys, I know we can do it. Guys, end of the video, guys. We hit it. We hit all 3 posts, man. Come on, man. I'm happy. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification. And guys, I'll catch you soon. LC 500 out.